Assalamualaikum grade 5. I am your maths teacher Varda. So students, we were doing chapter 8 or chapter 8 mein we were doing the topic of area. So now we are moving towards its exercise. So let's see what do we have on the board. So students, we are now going to start with the exercise. Before starting it, we are going to recall the formulas for the area of rectangle and the area of square. So what is the formula for the area of rectangle? Rectangle की क्या property है? Rectangle में opposite sides are equal to each other. So what is the area of rectangle over here? The area of rectangle is length times breadth. Because in rectangle we have length and a breadth, and when we multiply it we get the area. Area is actually a closed region of any given shape. So now what is the area of a square? Square have all sides equal, square की सारी sides equal होती हैं, तो इसका area क्या होता है? Area equals to L square और L is equals to length. क्योंकि square में चारों sides equal होती हैं, so the area is length time length, which will give you length square. So now we are done with the formula. So let's recall the unit. It is in the square. If you are using any measurement in meters, so it will change into meter square. If you are using any unit in centimeter, so it will change into centimeter square. So area का जो unit होता है, it is squared unit. So now we are moving towards the exercise. Let's move toward the next board. First question क्या है? That is of about fill in the blank. First blank क्या है हमारे पास? The closed region in a shape is called its what? Exactly, it is the definition that a closed region in a shape is called its area. I hope students you are copying it down with me in your textbook. अब हम देखते हैं question number 2 में क्या है. The area of a rectangle is equal to what unit square? Area of rectangle का क्या formula है? It is length times breadth. So length times breadth. हमारे पास question number 3 क्या है? If L is one side of a square, then its area will be what? Exactly. अब यहाँ पे हमें shape कौन सी given है? Square. Square का area क्या होता है? It is L square, जिसमें हमें बताया गया है कि if L is one side, अगर एक square की आपको length given है which is L, तो इसका area क्या होगा? It will be L square. So I hope that you understood the concept of this part. Now moving toward the next part of this question. So let's see what do we have on the next board. Blank 4. In a rectangle, length equals to 9 cm and breadth equals to 4 cm. Then its area is what? Exactly, length and breadth given है एक rectangle की. अब हमें इसका area find out करना है. Let's put these values into the formula. और formula क्या है हमारे पास? Area of rectangle is equals to length times breadth. Length is 9. 9 multiplied by 4 will give you 36 and the unit is centimeter, so it will change into centimeter square. So the correct answer is 36 centimeter. So question number 5 है the area of a square. Now this is which shape? Square with side 1 centimeter will be. एक स्क्वायर गिवन है, उसकी वन साइड की आपको मेजरमेंट गिवन है विच इज 1 सेंटीमीटर. तो इसका एरिया क्या होगा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू पुट दिस इनटू द फॉर्मूला. एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू एल स्क्वायर. एल हमारे पास क्या गिवन है? इट इज गिवन 1. सो विच मीन्स 1 टाइम्स 1 विल गिव यू 1 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सो आंसर क्या आ गया? 1 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप दैट दिस वाज नॉट दैट हार्ड फॉर यू. लेट्स सी व्हाट डू वी हैव इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. State whether the following are true and false. So this is actually a question number 2 and it's saying that the following statement you have to read it out and you have to figure out whether these statements are true or false. First statement क्या है? A square with the side 4 cm and a rectangle with 8 cm and 2 cm have the same area. Exactly. Students, इसमें आपके पास एक square shape भी given है और एक rectangle shape भी given है और उनकी sides given है. और इसमें आपसे पूछा गया है क्या इन दोनों के एरिया सेम है या नहीं. तो हम वन बाय वन सब शेप्स का एरिया फाइंड आउट करते हैं. फर्स्ट हम स्क्वायर का एरिया फाइंड आउट करते हैं जिसकी लेंथ गिवन है विच इज 4 सेंटीमीटर. So area of square, I'm not writing in the full form. Area of square क्या होता है? It's L square. So हमारे पास लेंथ क्या गिवन है? 4 square which is equals to 4 times 4, 16 centimeter square. ये तो हो गया area of square का. Now I'm going to find out the area for the rectangle. So इसका formula क्या होता है? Area of rectangle is equals to length times breadth. Length क्या है हमारे पास? 8 और breadth क्या है? 2. So 8 times 2 is what? It's 16 centimeter square. So students, क्या area of square with this measurement and area of rectangle with this measurement is equal to 16 centimeter? Is it true? Exactly. A square with the side of 4 centimeter and the rectangle with 8 centimeter and 2 centimeter have the same area. So the answer is true. And students, जब भी आप ऐसे questions करते हैं, remember doing it in the rough paper और या आप एक rough column जरूर draw कीजिए so that you can come up with the correct options or the correct answer. So let's see what do we have on the next board. Okay, अब हमारे पास question number 2 का part 2 है. If the length of a rectangle is 15 centimeter and the breadth is 10 centimeter, then the area of the rectangle is 25 centimeter. We have to figure out, हमें एक length given है rectangle की, we are going to find out its area. क्या इसका area 25 है या नहीं? So let's see that. I'm going to put it in the formula. Area equals to length time breadth. Length is 15 and breadth is 10. जब आप इन दोनों को multiply करेंगे, you are going to get 150 centimeter square. क्या ये आंसर इसके equal है? So this statement is false. All right. So next question क्या है हमारे पास? The area of a square, एक square है जिसका area हमें find out करना है. The area of a square with the side 5 centimeter is equal to 20 centimeter. वो कह रहा है इस square का area है 20 centimeter जिसकी side है 5 centimeter. So area का क्या formula होता है? It's L square. Length हमारे पास given है which is 5 square. अब हम इसको जब multiply करेंगे, 5 times 5 will give you 25 centimeter square. क्या ये इसके equal है? So this statement is also false. Alright. 4 part क्या है हमारे पास? The area of a composite shape can be found by dividing the shape in rectangle and square. जी students, हमने ये last lecture में पढ़ा था composite shape क्या होती है. Composite shape वो shape होती है जिसमें एक से ज़्यादा shapes मिंगल अप होती हैं या उसके अंदर एड ऑन होती हैं. अब वो हमसे कह रहा है क्या हम कॉम्पोजिट शेप का एरिया फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, उसमें से हम डिफरेंट शेप्स को डिवाइड कर दें इन स्क्वायर्स एंड रेक्टेंगल. यस, दिस इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सो दिस इज ट्रू. 5 क्या है हमारे पास? If length equals to 18 centimeter and breadth equals to 1 centimeter, then the area is 18 centimeter square. It was a quite easy question. इसमें आपने area के formula में इन दोनों values को डाल देना, इनको multiply करना and you're going to get the same answer which is 18 centimeter square. Because L is equals to 18 and breadth is equal to 1 centimeter, area के formula में डालेंगे 18 times 1 will give you 18 centimeter square. So which is the correct option? And this is true. So students, we are done with today's task. I hope that you enjoyed learning this. Take care. Allah Hafiz.